Hello, my friends. Guess what? It is Fold It Club time. And let me just tell you, I am so incredibly excited about this. First of all, your envelope might feel a little thicker than normal. Oh, what in the world? Because there's a freebie in here. There's an extra little, lots to talk about. Let's open this guy up and check this out. So first things first, let's look at the club set. This is our Fold It Club. This is our shaped card club. And it is a double banner. Now, it says happy birthday on the sample, but my friends, you can use it for anything you want. It can be a shaped card or on an A2 size card. Look at that, lots of options. Now, when you look at this, I want you to see that there are a lot of other dies in this kit. For example, you are getting 3 different arrows, so you can really point to that banner. You're getting the words happy birthday, but they are separate, they are optional. And then you're getting all of these layering pieces. Yes, you can make shakers out of this. Now I have a lot of fun samples to share with you, but first let's look at the stencils. So the stencils you're getting, one is the arrow background, which is really fun because, you know, more arrows to kind of coordinate with the whole arrow theme. The other one is really, really fun because here it is. This is what it looks like. You have words to add to your banner if you want to instead. So it can say have a great day or have a blast. Lots of options on there. Also some little wiggle lines to add accents to your banner. I know, it's amazing. And the samples, I can't wait to share with you because you know my design team is amazing, just saying. So stay tuned for that. But another thing we need to look at is what else is in this bag. Well, I mean this envelope. Why are there so many other things in here? Well, if you remember last month, Stephanie made an oopsie. I made a mistake. And your Fold It Club did not come with the backing card that it should have. It came on a boring, regular, normal one, right? Just like just one with our logo on it. And oh, that's not fair. So I ordered these. They're in your shipment. So you are going to get this because you know what? You have to have it, right? I mean, it has to go with your stuff. So there you go. There's that. Then there's something else in here. What in the heck? Oh yeah. Our cute little postcard with some ideas. Don't forget there's lots of other ideas on our website, right? You know that idea gallery. There's still 2 more things in here. What in the heck? Well, as a little Christmas gift, I've included a fun die set and it says, I am so grateful for you. It's a word die set. It says, I am so grateful for you in script. It also has a shadow die. So that's going to be in your kit also. But wait, my friends, there's one more thing. What? I know. What? I already gave you the freebie. Got the stencils, got the postcard, got the extra mitten thing, got the die set itself. You're going to get this little card. Now, I've never done this before. I've never done this before. There's 2 things about this I've never done before. Number 1, there is a special code on the back for only my Fold It Club members. I'm not going to say any more. Not going to say any more. I'm going to wait until you get it. Do not share the code. Do not share the code. It is only for you. But on the front, so it's a postcard with information on the back that I'm not going to talk about. But I'm like, what am I going to put on the other side of the postcard? And I kind of went back and forth, back and forth. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? And then I decided I am going to give you a card front. So this is not like our normal postcards. Our normal postcards are glossy, which is really fun. This is matte. And when you trim on this side of the line, so you're going to trim it right on this side of the line, guess what? It's a card front. It's a card front. You literally put it on an A2 card and you're done. So what does it say? It says sending you a chocolate hug. So it's using one of our stamp sets from the past. And now you have a card front. After you deal with what's on the back, then you're not going to throw it away because you have a card front. Fastest card in history. I know, I'm really excited about that. Now, let's jump in and look at our samples because they are absolutely amazing. So that double banner can easily be put on an A2 card if you want. So there we go, to you. Happy birthday to you. Isn't that cute? Now, or you can make it a shaped card, right? Because that's the whole thing about Fold It, is happy birthday. It's your birthday. Let's party. Isn't that cute? It's using the 3D ink on this one. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. And it has the fun little stripes there as part of the die. So it makes it so you know it's like the back of the banner. So there's another one. Now, this one doesn't really stand up by itself. It kind of does. You can kind of just go like that. But also, my friends, you can use that card stand die that we have to have that stand up better. Here's another cute one. Happy birthday. Cute little arrow pointing to the happy birthday. I love it. Oh, but remember I told you it's not a birthday card. What about happy Thanksgiving? Now, I know Thanksgiving is past, but look at how stunningly gorgeous that is, right? So don't think for half a second this is a birthday card. It is an anything card. It is anything you want to celebrate. You are going to use it. So here's another cute one. Happy birthday. I love the black. The black just really makes it pop. This is on a side fold, A2. Love it. Or why not put it on a banner? Look at that. Isn't that fun? How fun to have this tied to somebody's doorknob when it's their birthday. I absolutely love it. So Fold It Club members, Ken is going to get those in the mail to you as soon as possible. Lots of other goodies in this kit. You are not going to want to miss out. If you are not a Fold It Club member, we do have some freebie dies left. Remember, you cannot buy this die by itself. You only can get this die if you're a Fold It Club member. That mitten card I showed you, that was last month's Fold It. If you didn't get it, I'm sorry, you can't. Fold It Club is exclusive. As of right now, Fold It Club is still exclusive. We've been doing it over a year now. We have no plans to re-release them at this time. So you can only get it by joining the Fold It Club. And you get the 2 stencils and the postcard, the special postcard, the card front, and that freebie die set. And if you join the Fold It Club, you get another freebie big die set. So if you, this is the freebie die you get. So all of you, ding, 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 all of you in the Fold It Club have this die, this banner die. So now you can make this, ding, ding, ding. I know, isn't that awesome? You guys, go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club. Just check out the Fold It Club because you know what? It is our fastest growing club. Our most popular club so far still is the Die Hard Club, but the Fold It Club is our fastest growing. So just saying, go check it out. More ideas on our website in the gallery. And you know what? I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.